So what is this? It's the JCB X-Series Crane by Teamsterz. There you go. Just bought this at Smyths Toys for £15. Like, that is that too cheap? I don't know. Like the little control you get with it. Whoa. Whoa. This toy stands at over 1 metre high. Whoa! There's a counterweight in the back. Oh, there it goes. Look, it's going on your head. That's it. You can put some bits in here. Just put something heavy in there to stop it falling over. I don't know why we've got some batteries in there at the moment, but probably something more appropriate. Whoa, here he comes. Whoa. Oh my god.
Can you hit it on your camera?
Well, try not to. Go on then. Whoa, look at it go. Can you pick up some of these mini Thomases? So what have you picked up?
This!
What have you got? What's in there? Let's have a look. Whoa. That was a mini wet floor sign. Whoa, you picked up the part. Whoa. Take it around to the TV. Yay, look at that. Look at that.
No, he can't drive it.
Does he drive it from in here, yeah? You could put a little minifigure or something in there, couldn't you?
You could put a mini Corey in there.
Whoa.
Harold is driving your helicopter. He's driving your crane.
Harold the helicopter is driving the crane. Go on now.
Hello, your helicopter. Let's drive your crane.
Whoa, look at it go. Bring that up, here it comes. Right, now spin it. Go on then, pick them up. Other way. Whoa, there they go. Whoa, where are you going to put them? Where are you going to put them?
What's the problem, Mr. Ball? We just stick up the road. Watch this. Yes. Where can you move the mini Thomases? I don't know.
Whoa! Look at that. So, I'm impressed with the toy so far. I've only had it a day, but I do think £15 is an amazing price, really, for something that moves like that.